Do you need to learn Benford's law analysis for fraud? This is no ordinary theory-only course. You'll get hands-on experience through a case study we designed with elements taken from real fraud investigations. Using downloadable datasets and instructional videos, we walk you through step by step. In Unit 1, you'll learn important tips on how to navigate the course, the origins of Benford's law, and the key definitions and rules for the Benford's law analysis. Unit 2 will teach you about the pre-analysis step to calculate statistics for the dataset. In Unit 3, you will learn about testing each field for the appropriateness to be able to conduct the Benford's law analysis. For values within a field of structured data to be tested, the data must meet certain criteria. Otherwise, the Benford's law analysis may not produce meaningful results. In Unit 4, you will learn about the first digit test for overall conformity to Benford's law. In Unit 5, you will learn about the second digit test for biases in the dataset. In Unit 6, you will learn about the first two-digit test to identify transactions that deviate significantly from Benford's law. In Unit 7, you will learn about the last two digits test to detect number invention. And finally, Unit 8 will teach you about combining the findings from the testing to select specific transactions for further examination. Learn the Benford's law analysis for fraud and make a difference in your organization today.